Hi, I Sonam Agrawal. I secured All India Rank 2 in Instrumentation Engineering. This year GATE paper was easy as compared to the previous year, as I think so. This year is a GATE paper have more than 50% of the numerical data type question as compared to the objective. For numerical data type question, as we have already known that there is no negative marking for that. I attempt the technical questions first, and my target is to attempt all the numerical data type questions so that I can maximize my marks, and I prefer to attempt the 2 marks question first rather than to attempt the first 1 mark questions. Uh, Try to attempt all the numerical data type question as there is no negative marking for that. I give 2 hours for the technical part, and I put half an hour for aptitude section and rest half an hour for the revision of the question, because revision of the question is must, because when we revise the question and their answers, we can eliminate our mistake what we have done in the calculation mistakes and etc. I think that the reason behind my success is the blessing of my father and mother, and the tremendous support of the GATE Forum team, especially for the well-designed test series on the same pattern as the GATE exam. This helped me a lot to maximize my marks. Uh, for the preparation of the GATE exam, first I covered all the basic concepts of from the standard books, and do practicing of the question. Practicing of the question is very must, because we can eliminate our errors and mistakes what we have done in doing the questions. The 8 to 10 months preparation are sufficient for the GATE exam. At least we should put 8 hours a day for the studies of the GATE preparation. Uh, Study material of the institute is sufficient, but for the clear the basic concept, we should prefer all the standard books of the subjects. I joined the online test series of the GATE Forum Institute, and this helped me a lot for the preparation of my exam. Hard work, punctuality and dedications are the most important mantras to get success in the GATE exam. Student preparing for the GATE exam should join the online test series of the GATE Forum Institute. This test series was best for practicing of the GATE exam. Thank you.